Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing your account and preparing evidence. Change your password and enable SteamGuard so you show good faith security. Once done, collect Order ID, Steam ID 64, and clear screenshots of the trade ban notification. Support will ask for specifics. Then open a Steam support ticket under Account Issues. Don't skip proof. Explain concisely what happened and attach receipts. This helps reviewers verify ownership and speeds up legitimate restoration. When filing the appeal, choose the trading restriction option and fill every requested field. This is how they match your claim to logs. Once you attach receipts and a short timeline, describe why the restriction should be lifted, stick to facts and ownership evidence. Make sure your account, email, and phone are verified so support can contact you quickly. Provide any previous ticket numbers for continuity. That prevents delays and shows you followed process rather than seeking workarounds. After submission, wait patiently for Steam support to review. Timelines vary, so check updates and reply promptly if they request more info. Once they respond, follow their instructions exactly to restore trading. Then enable two-factor authentication and review trade/security settings to prevent recurrence. If the appeal is denied, don't use third-party offers. Instead, gather additional proof and politely request escalation or account recovery. This is the only legitimate path to remove a trade ban and protect your account going forward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.